Okay, that's the gravel in the driveway, and while it looks wet, that is actually ice. Pretty weird, and it's slippery as hell. That is the toolbox in the back of my truck, also covered with ice. The bed of the truck, the side rails, the glass, the mirrors, all covered in ice. The trees, also, all dripping with ice. Gives the woods a very eerie look. Makes that cedar tree look kind of strange too. Cool though. Nice Christmassy look. Downside to that though is that if we get too much more, it'll start breaking branches on the cedar trees. Little icicles forming on the edge of the gutters.